Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is just showing you how I put on this wig. I did just wake up, so excuse me, but this is basically the same steps that I did in my other video when I did put on my wig. So just watch and you'll be able to do. But this one is a whole frontal, so yeah, I'm just spraying the cap, making sure it's staying flat down to my head. And I'm not a professional at this, once again, so yeah. I do what I can. So now I'm going in with this powder just so the lace can look somewhat identical to the color of my skin. You know, that sexy chocolate melanin, all of that. Yeah, let's just you know what I'm talking about. Make it match to that skin, period. Thank you. Anyways, I just woke up. Like I said, I'm just out of it right now. But I already cut the front of the cap off. Now I'm just putting on that glue. You know, I'll be putting 3 layers. But yeah, just watch and enjoy the video. I don't know why I'm using a Q-tip. I couldn't find a little stick that I was using earlier, or whatever I was using earlier. I think I was using a comb. But I don't want to use a comb because it was getting stuck, and I didn't want the hair to be getting stuck in the glue and all that crap. But blow dry that stuff until it's, somewhat clear. And, let's see how we're going to put this wig on. Let's see how it's going to fit. Before you put it on, make sure you adjust it to how you want it and everything, because I was having a difficult time, as you can see, putting this wig on my little ass head. Now, I do get all my wigs in small because I have a little head, like literally. But before you put your wig on, make sure you adjust it, like with the straps in the back and everything. So, yeah. I'm just putting the wig on and making sure that the sides and everything are matched to my ears, because that's where I have the most difficult problem at, is when I put the wig down to my forehead and then trying to adjust it. It's a little hard, but you can see me here getting that together, okay? Period. Did y'all see on Instagram how Lil Duval was like, if your butt cannot, like, if your leg and your bum can't form the letter P, do not say period. So I'm gonna try it, but don't mind me. Watch the video. I'm just going in with some alcohol, cleaning that excess off my forehead, because you don't want it to dry up and look tacky and bogus and all white around your head. So you just want to clean that with the alcohol and the pad. And so now I'm just I added a little more glue to it because, I had to burp. I added a little bit more glue because it was coming up a little bit. So yeah, add glue and put a scarf on, tie that John down. Now I've already separated that first layer to start plucking. I did pluck a lot before this, and I did pluck a lot after this. I didn't know how I was going to wear my hair, so I was just, plucking. Make sure you take the clips out, because it is a little difficult to pluck with clips in your hair. Well, for me it is. I don't know for everybody. So now I'm flipping it back and, plucking. Continue to pluck to how you would like it, natural hairline to its finest. Plucking is the key to a really good looking wig. Like, seriously, plucking, I would say, and then spritzing, and then flat ironing, or hot combing, I should say. That's all. You're gonna see me do all of that today. See, hot comb. So now I'm just going back with the hot comb, because like I said, I didn't know how I was gonna wear my hair. So I'm just hot combing it back for the moment, making sure, it's as flat as possible before I start to style it and make it cuter than cute, And make sure you brush out the hair. You don't want it to be nappy and whatever while you're doing this, because it is a little difficult to work with, messy hair when you're trying to get it as straight and flat as possible. But now you see me just putting clips in my head and I am spraying some spritz on the hairline so it doesn't look so white. If you know what I'm talking about, then you know. Because before it looked good, but you could see like the line and everything. But when you spray like a spray on it or put something on it, that line goes away and it actually looks really, really nice. And I literally just started doing this. So yes, new tips every day when you're doing hair, period. So now we are just going in and fixing them baby hairs. Actually, I put a lot of foam. I don't know why, but here's me combing out that foam and doing them baby hairs. Let's get into it. I got this little brush from the beauty supply, not Sally's. No, the beauty supply. Jesus Christ, I don't shop at Sally's, guys. Sorry, not sorry, but I don't. Ooh, them edges are laid. I have too much energy this morning, but them edges are laid, honey. So if you want me to wear your wig or whatever, let me know. Let me know, because I know what I'm doing. Yes, I do. Kind of, sort of ish. Anyways, tie that down, just so it can be secure. Ooh, I think I want to do a middle part. So I'm doing a middle part, and I had to make sure the middle was extremely straight. And I did have to go in constantly with the hot comb and a little bit of holding spray, and I did pluck that a little bit, the part a little bit, and I did add a little makeup in there in the part. Not too much though, just a little bit. But yeah, just repeat these steps. Flat ironing and hot combing are the most two steps that you need to keep repeating. I know I shouldn't spray spritz exactly on the hair, but it was so poofy, and the outcome after I sprayed it and hot combed it and everything, the hair wasn't even stale or crunchy or anything. So just don't spray too much. I feel like you should be okay. But you can see me, yes, giving you very much baddie vibes. Ooh, period. I tried to make it as straight as possible because that's what I was going for. But yes, now I'm just putting okay. Now I'm just putting some more foam in the middle and just combing and brushing that down. When I say I needed it like to be extremely flat, I wanted it really flat, but I didn't because I was curling it anyways. Whatever. So you can see me here plucking that part. It's better to do a little damp because when it's dry, that shit, stuff be a little, I don't know. For me, it's easier to pluck when it's a little damp. But just make sure that part is straight, guys. And here is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment down below. And make sure you guys follow me on all my social media. And yes. Oh, I thought I was done. No, I'm not. Got him. That was just a subscribe. That was just a subscribe. Yeah. So let's continue to watch the video. I literally thought it was over. That's funny. Anyways, though, just keep on flat ironing and brushing and flat ironing. Now this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys follow me on all social media. Thanks, guys.